Hi there, it's John Drew here. I just wanted to shoot this very quick video just to run you through the first couple of days trading results for L7 Trade. L7 Trade is the arbitrage trading, cryptocurrency arbitrage trading platform. Just 2 days in here, here's my first results in. And down here you can see my initial amount, 0.048 BTC Bitcoin. The trade realized 0.6%. Second trade 0.68, and a third trade 0.66%. So that's 1.97% over the day. And I started the fourth trade of that day late at night, at 11 o'clock I think, and the trade completed by 3 o'clock in the morning, as you can see here. Okay, that was 0.71, next trade 0.66, next trade 0.76, next trade 0.48, and the next trade 0.75. So over the 2 days, 8 trades, obviously roughly 4 trades in each day. The results for the first day 1.97, the second day 3.43, and the average over the 2 days 2.7% per day. I'm more than pleased with those results from this platform. 2.7% for arbitrage trading of this kind is very good. 2.7% per day. A lot of people say to me, 1, 2, 3%, that's not really much profit. What you've got to realize is that, I'm starting down here with 0.048, and that's just $500. And what I'm doing every time I make a trade, I'm making a profit, and I'm adding that profit to my initial amount. And then I'm making a trade with a new initial amount. So if it's a higher amount, I'm making a profit, then with the next higher amount, I'm making a profit, and it goes up, and it goes up, and it goes up. So the power of compounding your profits and then trading with the increased amount is quite significant. And I just want to show you this, and some of you may have seen this before, but this is what compounding can do for you. So I'm taking the average of 2.7%. So $500, 2.7% over 6 months, 182 days, reinvesting 100% and including weekends. Because this type of trading you can trade 7 days a week. So start with $500 after 6 months. Assuming a 2.7% profit each time, the principal amount grows to 63,796. So when you're talking about 1s, 2s, and 3%, those 1s, 2s, 3% add up. Okay. If you like what you see here, I'll say I'm very pleased with your results here. Underneath the video, if you're watching it on YouTube, there'll be a link into the comments. You can join this platform for free and have a look around. If you're watching the video on one of my websites, there'll be a button underneath. Just join up, have a look around, and see what you make of it. If you've got any questions, get back to me. That's it. I'll see you on the inside. God bless.